Hello everyone, this is IT336 Unit 6 recording. The Unit 6 reading this week is Chapter 15, U.S. Compliance Laws. The Unit 6 discussion initial post is due Wednesday. How to respond to users within your company who think that security measures get in the way of their work. What could you do to help users view security policies in a more positive manner? Your APA reference and in-text citation. Reply to 2 others by Sunday and include at least 1 open-ended question. The Unit 6 assignment is due Sunday at 11:59 p.m. For this assignment, you're going to search the Federal Register for 5 cases that interest you. A list of possible search topics is provided to help you get started. So you go to the Federal Register, the URL is listed in the assignment. Use the search bar, which is kind of in the middle of the page. I typed in the first suggestion, which was anti-malware, and this is all the type of documents that came up. So I clicked on rule, which had 4, and this is one of the rules. Now here are all the topics that they listed that you could use. So you can use any of these. You need 5 different rules, so you can pick 5 different subjects, however you want to do it. Now, this is an example of that rule that I picked, and I clicked on it, and this is what shows. Now, for the first entry, you would want to put the docket number, probably. There is a summary, but I prefer that you not use that verbatim, but you use your own words for the summary, because that's just a bunch of numbers. So you're going to read over the rule and then summarize it yourself. Then you can, so let's go to the chart. So you'll see a summary. You'll then see the resolution. I didn't see the resolution on that page, but when you go to the resolution, you can, so here's the case number or docket number. Here's the summary. Then the resolution you can type in verbatim, whatever the resolution was. Then the potential breaches, that is for your own thinking. That's not something that's, let me see if I can go back. It's not letting me. All right, so you're going to think about potential breaches and what. Do you have questions about the direction from the courts? This is where you need your critical thinking. This is not going to be something verbatim from the case. This needs to be your own thinking, your own. You don't have to have any references because it's what you think. What breaches do you see that they didn't cover? What questions are still not answered by this particular rule? So I don't expect you to do a report. I want you to do the table. You can alter the width of the columns as you see fit. You can also adjust the margins to narrow and even use landscape orientation if it makes it easier for you. Those 2 things are shown on the layout tab in Word. Make sure you include in-text citation. You would probably either want to do it with the docket number or that verbatim resolution that you've typed in there. Then on the reference page, you would do the references. Now let's go back to where I put that page. So in your reference, the author is going to be the agency, Federal Energy Regulatory Commission. If you go back again to where I originally had it, it gives you the date. So it's by the Federal Energy Regulatory Commission, and here's the date. I don't know if it had the date on that or not. 31/16. Let's see if it's the same date. well, no, this was January. So if you do this date, because it's not effective until March, but this is the date apparently when they made the rule. So you would use, this is your author, this is your date, and of course you do it APA, which is year, the months that written out, and then the day. And then the URL would be this page. You would copy the URL for this page, not for the original, where you searched. And that would be how you would list your reference. Now for the in-text citation, just use Federal Energy and the year. Now, if you happen to have two rules that are by the same agency, but they have different dates, then you just list Federal Energy and the different date. If the years are the same, then you put an A after, like, the 2016, and for the first one, and a B, 2016 B, for the second one. That would be in your reference and in your text citation. That's how you identify those. But if you just have different agencies, then you would just, shorten the title, Federal Energy, and the year for your in-text citation. So let's see if I had anything else. That's all I have. If you have any questions, please let me know.